Hello everyone, my name is Rohit. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how I changed a normal WordPress site into an MCP server using n8n. This setup lets an AI agent create posts, pages, and even new users simply by chatting. I will also share real-world ideas that small and medium businesses can start using today. MCP means Model Context Protocol. Think of it like a USB-C port for AI. It is an open standard that lets AI agents plug into any tool or data source in one common way. n8n now ships a node called MCP Server Trigger, which exposes your workflow as an MCP server. Let's see how it works. On screen, you can see my n8n canvas. The flow starts with when chat message received. That node waits for a user prompt from the built-in chat widget. The message then goes to an AI agent. Inside the agent, we use the OpenAI chat model and a small memory node, so the bot remembers the conversation. Next comes the MCP client node. This node enables the agent to call any tool we expose below. Under the green, blue, and purple rows, you see WordPress Tool nodes. They can create, get, update, or list posts, pages, and users. Each dotted line shows which tools the agent is allowed to call. Finally, we click Execute Workflow to start the server. Let's see the demo. Now I type, create a post with title Hello MCP Server. The agent talks to WordPress through MCP. n8n creates the post as a draft in 2 seconds. When I refresh my WordPress dashboard, the post is right there. No code, no plugins, just AI talking over the protocol. Now, why does this matter for small and medium businesses? First, content teams can ask the bot to write blog drafts, save them, and schedule them, hands-free. Second, e-commerce owners can add new product pages by sending a chat message with the SKU and price. Third, marketing agencies can spin up landing pages for each campaign in minutes, not hours. Fourth, membership sites can let a support bot create user accounts or reset passwords on request. And last, local shops can publish daily offers right from a phone chatbot without logging in to WordPress. Everything runs inside your n8n instance, so your data stays private. You keep using WordPress, a tool you already know. The workflow is visual, so that non-developers can update it. Because it follows the Open MCP standard, you can swap WordPress for any other tool later. That's it. You just saw an AI agent manage WordPress with simple language. Imagine how much time this can save your team every day. If you liked this tutorial, please press the like button. Subscribe for more no-code AI automations. And tell me in the comments how you plan to use an MCP server in your business. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.